Student, today we are going to discuss next point of normal subgroup. So this point is factor group. Okay, factor group. This definition is also seen in some previous lecture. Okay, definition of factor group. Definition: let G be a group. Let factor group, or this is also called as quotient group. This is also called as quotient group. Quotient group. Okay, this is also called as quotient group. Okay, factor group or quotient group. Definition: let G be a group. Let G be a group and H is normal subgroup of G, and H is normal subgroup of G, then set of all cosets, set of all cosets is called factor group. Okay, this is called, means if given that H is a subgroup of G, H is a normal subgroup of G and G is in given that group. Okay, and H is normal subgroup of G, then all cosets means left or right. Okay, all cosets here left or right. Okay, all cosets left or right is called factor group. Okay, it's called factor group, and it is denoted by G over H. Okay, G perpendicular line and H. Okay, G over H, and is defined as, and is defined by which set elements of this set is H G over H equal to HA, where A belongs to G. Okay, HA where A belongs to G means this is a right coset. Okay, right coset or left coset. Okay, it is also called as quotient group. Okay, this is also called as, this is factor group or quotient group. Okay, this is also called as, means what is definition of factor group? Factor group means if H is normal subgroup of G, then set of all cosets of G or set of all coset of H in G is called factor group. Okay, this is simple definition of factor group. Then remark, if G is a group with respect to addition, if G is group with respect to addition and H is normal subgroup of G, then factor group G over H equal to H plus A. Okay, if given group is group with respect to addition and H is normal subgroup of G, then factor group contains element of the form of H plus A, where A belongs to G. Okay, this is first remark. Second remark is the identity element of G over H is the identity element of G over H is H itself. Okay, identity element of factor group is H itself. Okay, that is H equal to EH equal to EH. This is very important. Then third remark is, as H is normal subgroup of G, we have H is normal subgroup of G, then we have left coset equal to right coset always. Okay, therefore G over H equal to left coset also. This definition of factor group. Okay, so this is a definition of, and this summary remark. If only here, if group is with respect to multiplication, then G over H means factor group HA, where H means set of all set of all this H, subgroup of H which contains all elements of H, and multiply by A. Okay, means right coset. Okay, right coset or left coset, because H is a normal subgroup. Left, in normal subgroup, left coset and right cosets are equal. Okay, so therefore factor group equal to which set of all elements which contains of the form of HA, where left coset and right coset of this element. Okay, so next example for this, let G equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I and H equal to 1 minus 1 is subgroup of G, then write down its of factor group, then find G over H, or find their factor groups. Okay, so here let G equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay, here given that G is Gaussian entries set, 1 minus 1 I minus I, and H equal to 1 minus 1. Here also seen that H is normal subgroup of G. Okay, clearly because clearly H is normal subgroup of G. This example is also H is normal subgroup of G is proved in previous theorem. Okay, so H is normal subgroup of G. To find, therefore G over H is factor group given by for all G over H equal to A belongs to HA, where A belongs to G. This set means if A equal to 1, this is A belongs to in G. Okay, if A equal to 1, then G over H equal to H into A, means multiply A by this element. Okay, multiply A by elements of H, means 1 into 1 is 1. G over H equal to, or here also written in the form of HA. Okay, means H of 1 equal to H itself, means which contains element 1 into 1 and 1 into minus 1. This is equal to H, because their element is 1 and minus 1, and this set is equal to H. Therefore if A equal to 1, then H of 1 equal to H itself. Okay, similarly if A equal to minus 1, then H of minus 1 equal to, if A equal to minus 1, then minus 1 and 1. Okay, H of minus 1 contains only two elements, 1 and minus 1. This is also equal to H itself. Okay, this is equal to 1 and minus 1. If A equal to I, then H of I equal to, which contains element I into 1 I, and I into minus 1 is minus I. Okay, this is one distinct factor group. And if A equal to minus I, then H of minus I equal to minus I and I. Okay, so these two are same, means H of I. Okay, so if A equal to minus I, then H of minus I and H of I are same right cosets. Okay, therefore here only, therefore H and H of I are two distinct cosets. Okay, here only two distinct cosets. Factor group means which contains set of all distinct cosets. Okay, therefore H and H of are two distinct cosets, and therefore G over H equal to H and H of I. Okay, set of all cosets. Okay, means to find factor group, first to find cosets of this set, and set of all cosets is called factor group. Okay, so then next example let G equal to generated by A of order 6. Okay, G is cyclic group. Here given that G is cyclic group of order 6 and H is generated by A square, means H is generated by A square. Show that H is subgroup of G and find their factor group. Okay, so how to find? Here given that let G equal to generated by A means element which contains of the elements of G is of the form of order power of A. Okay, power of A and their order is 6, means A raised to 0, sorry, A raised to 1, A square, A cube, A raised to 4, A raised to 5 and A raised to 6, and A order of A G is 6, means A raised to 6 equal to identity. Okay, again repetition here, continue. A raised to 7 means A raised to 1, A raised to 8 means A square, and up to so on. These elements are again repeated because here G is finite group, and H is generated by A square, means all elements of H contains power of A square, means A square raised to 1, A square square, A square cube, then A square raised to 4 and up to so on, which contains only 3 elements. A square raised to 1 means A square, A square raised to 2 means A raised to 4, A raised to A square raised to 3 cube means A raised to 6, and there is equal to identity. A raised to 2 into 4 is 8. 8 is congruent to 2 modulo 6, means A square again repeated, so which contains only 3 elements. Okay, means G is a cyclic group which is generated by A, and H is a cyclic subgroup of G. Okay, which is generated by A square. Therefore order of H equal to 3 and order of G equal to 6. Okay, therefore here also given that G is generated by A, G is cyclic group. Okay, here therefore index of IGH is equal to or G over H equal to. Okay, these both symbols are index. 6 divided by 3 equal to index is 2, and therefore index is 2 if H is a G is finite group and H is subgroup of G with index 2, then H is normal subgroup. Using this result here G is a finite group and G has a subgroup H equal to A square is subgroup of G and which has index 2, therefore H is normal subgroup of G. Okay, first part is proved. Now to find G over H means to find factor group means set of all cosets. To find all cosets of G over H are, therefore G over H is factor group given by G over H equal to HA, where A belongs to G. Okay, therefore if A belongs to G, if choosing A raised to 1 belongs to the G, then H of A equal to A multiplied by elements of H, means elements of H are A square, A raised to 4 and A raised to 6. If A into A square equal to A cube, A into A raised to 4 equal to A raised to 5 and A raised to 6 means identity into A is equal to A raised to 1. Okay, this is one element raised to 1. If A belongs to, one element here given A, then A square. Okay, A square belongs to G, then H of A square equal to A square into A square, A raised to 4, A square into A raised to 4, A square into A raised to 4 equal to A raised to 6, which is equal to identity, and then A raised to 6 into A square equal to A square, and this is H itself. Okay, and here index of given set is 2, means which contains only 2 cosets. Okay, left or right, Index means which number of left coset or right coset. Here index of this set is h is 2, therefore which contains only two distinct left cosets or right coset. Therefore h and h of a, okay, h and h of a are only two distinct cosets, okay, only two distinct cosets. Therefore factor group G over H which contains only two elements, okay. This is a one example of this, okay. Now similarly solve this one example in home. Try to solve this, okay. If G is generated by A of order 10 and H is generated by A raised to 5, then find all elements of factor group. Find all elements of factor group means only to find factor group of which contains element, means find all left or right cosets of this group, okay. Here order of H is equal to which is generated by A raised to 5 means order is 2 maybe, okay. Order of H is equal to 2 and order of G is equal to 10. Then here use H is here normal subgroup, then find only factor group means to find left and right coset for each element, and we get an answer factor group, okay. So then next example is write down elements of factor group. Next example, write down elements of factor group. Write down elements of factor group Z6 by over 2, okay. Here how to find? Here given that group G is Z6 and which is generated by 2, okay. Let G equal to Z6 and which elements contain 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and here H is equal to which is generated by 2. Here given that which implies that generated by 2 which contains an element 0, 2, 4, okay. Only 3 elements contain, okay. Therefore index Ig of H or G as H is equal to 6 by 3. Order of H is here order of G equal to 6 and order of H is equal to 3, means order of G divided by order of H which is equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2. Therefore index is 2, which implies that H is normal subgroup of G, okay. Now to find elements of Z6 over generated by 2 means G over H, okay. So the factor group Z6 over generated by 2, this is also written in the form of cross sign, okay. This is also written in the form of Z6 divided by cross 2 generated by 2 is given by if A equal to 0, then H of 0 is equal to, this is Z6 is group with respect to addition, so their factor group is of the form of H plus 0 equal to H itself, means which contains only 0, 2 and 4, okay. If A equal to 1, then H plus 1 equal to 0 plus 1 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4 plus 1 is 5, okay. If A equal to 2, here only H has index 2, which implies that only 2 cosets, but if A equal to 2, then repetition here H plus 2 equal to 2, 4 and 0, okay, means again H. So if A equal to 3, then h plus 3 equal to h plus 1. Okay, means here only two distinct right coset exist. Okay, therefore h and h plus 1 are two distinct, are only two distinct cosets left, two distinct cosets of g over h. Therefore g over h is equal to h and h plus 1. Okay, so this is the elements of factor to z6 over h. Okay, z6 over generated by 2. Then so this is same example to find. Okay, so choose any one subset of g equal to z6, z7, z8, z9 and generated by any elements, then find their factor group. Okay, so